My family is very important to me. We are four people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, and me. We live together in a small but comfortable house. My family is friendly, hardworking, and superful. My father name is Carlos. He is 45 years old and he is an engineer. He is tall and responsible. His favorite hobby is watching soccer on weekends. My mother name is Rose. She is 42 years old and she is a teacher. She is very keen and patient. Her classes are always interesting and she loves reading books in her free time. I also have one sister. Her name is Daniela and she is 18 years old. She is a university student. She is intelligent, funny, and creative. Her favorite activity are listening to music and drawing pictures. Daniela and I usually study together at home. As for me, my name is Alejandro. I am responsible and friendly person. I like studying English, exercising, and spending time with my family. We always support each other and enjoy sharing special moments together. I, I love my family very much because they make me feel happy and motivated every day.